Have you ever stopped to wonder where your trash goes once it leaves your curb? Most people don't think much about it, but Roger E. Merritt Jr. has spent nearly 30 years answering that question. For Roger, garbage isn't just something we toss away. It's an opportunity to create real change. Roger grew up interested in how things were built. That curiosity led him to study civil engineering at Texas A&M University, graduating in 1995. Engineering was a good fit because he liked solving problems and finding practical solutions. In 1998, he went back to school for an executive MBA in finance from South Atlanta University. He wanted to understand the numbers behind the environmental work he was doing. After college, Merritt began his career as an environmental engineer for the Georgia Environmental Protection Agency. At EPD, he learned the ropes of compliance and environmental regulation. But Roger wanted more hands-on impact. In 2002, he moved into the private sector, joining Waste Management Incorporated with Waste Management. Merritt oversaw the state of Georgia's largest landfill operation in Merritt-Landfill. He managed daily operations, capital improvement construction projects, budgets, fleet maintenance, and compliance. It was challenging work, but he thrived by making practical improvements. One major project was closing a massive landfill, the largest in Georgia at the time. Merritt led the closure efficiently, earning recognition from the Solid Waste Association of North America as the Solid Waste Professional of the Year. Later, Merritt served as Director of Landfill Engineering at Enviro Solutions. He led engineering projects across multiple states. His efforts saved SE over $21 million. In 2014, Merritt returned to public service as Associate Director for Prince George's County, Maryland. He managed the $100 million enterprise fund budget, solid waste programs for nearly 1 million residents, and tackled serious environmental compliance issues. His big work was streamlining projects and cutting unnecessary consulting costs, saving the county nearly $30 million. One of Merritt's toughest roles came as Executive Director of the U.S. Virgin Islands Waste Management Authority. He oversaw all solid waste and wastewater operations during hurricanes and natural disasters. Roger coordinated closely with federal agencies, including FEMA, the EPA, and the U.S. Army Corps of Engineers, ensuring residents received vital services during crises. Throughout his career, Merritt has prioritized mentoring young professionals. He often shares practical wisdom, stressing how to balance technical skills with compassion. His mentorship goes beyond career advice. He encourages colleagues to see waste management as community service, focusing on real-world solutions that improve lives. Today, Merritt consults internationally, helping communities in Latin America, the Caribbean, and small island developing states. He advises on sustainability, recycling, waste reduction, and infrastructure planning. He also runs Ring Consulting, LLC, his consulting business based in Atlanta. The firm focuses on practical environmental solutions. Looking forward, Merritt remains passionate about mentoring and creating lasting environmental change. He hopes to continue shaping how communities around the world think about waste. Roger Merritt's journey from civil engineer to global waste